If you're interested in figuring out how to make some extra cash with Studypool, you're in the right place. This video is going to be your complete guide, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start making money today. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how Studypool operates, how much money you can actually make from it, and how to get signed up. So if you're keen on earning online, keep watching. This could be one of the best videos you watch. Alright, let's get into it. So, here we are on the Studypool website, which is all about providing 24/7 study help. Basically, it's a platform where students can come to get help with their homework, essays, and even buy your pre-written documents. It's a great way for you to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Just take a look at this section on featured documents. You can see all sorts of user-generated content here. It gives you an idea of the kind of resources students are looking for. Once we try to unlock the document, it prompts us to sign up for an account. Let me quickly create one to show you. Okay, I've logged in, and now it's asking me to check some terms. As you can see, it encourages you to join what they call the Studypool Party, which offers instant access to millions of notes and answers. But hang on, this is where it can get a bit tricky. Now, here's the thing. You don't need to pay for a subscription to make money on Studypool. The platform offers 3 subscription plans for students looking for resources. For example, if a student chooses the monthly plan, that money goes to Studypool, which then shares a portion of it with those who upload content. So let's get a little deeper into how this system works. Once you sign in, you can explore a wide range of subjects, everything from business and humanities to math, programming, science, and more. There's definitely something here for everyone, especially if you have expertise in any of these areas. For instance, if we click on business, you'll find various niches under this category. The same goes for every other subject, so there's plenty of opportunity for you to find your niche and start earning. Now let's talk about the main way you can make money here, by selling documents. If you click on Sell Docs, you'll see that this is where the magic happens. You can earn up to $5,000 every month by sharing your study documents. How cool is that? Every time a student views your uploaded document, you can make up to $10. And here's the best part. Once your document is uploaded, it stays on the site indefinitely, meaning you can continue to earn from it without any additional effort on your part. You might be wondering what kind of documents you can upload. Well, here's a quick list. Quiz or exam prep materials, old assignments or homework, reports, presentations or papers, class notes or study guides, multi-language content. If you take a look at the top earners on Studypool, you'll see people like Alan Mitch, who has made nearly $97,692. That's insane! These individuals have done the work once and are now enjoying a steady stream of passive income. When you're ready to upload your documents, it's essential to prioritize quality over quantity. Quality content stands out, making it more appealing to students who are looking for reliable study materials. Here's how you can make your documents more impactful. Create engaging and descriptive titles that clearly indicate what the document is about. For instance, instead of using a vague title like Math Notes, consider something like Comprehensive Study Guide for Algebra and Trigonometry. This helps students find exactly what they need. Provide detailed descriptions of your document. This can include the subject matter, the intended audience, and the main topics covered. For example, if you're uploading a document about Shakespeare's Hamlet, include information about the themes explored, character analysis, and study questions. Use tags strategically. Tags should relate directly to the subject matter, making it easier for students to search and locate your documents. For example, if you upload a biology study guide, tags might include biology, study guide, high school biology, or AP Biology. If applicable, format your documents to be visually appealing. Use headings, bullet points, and images to break up the text and make it more digestible. High-quality PDFs or well-structured Word documents will make your uploads stand out. Steer clear of uploading low-quality content, irrelevant documents, or duplicate materials. Not only will this hurt your credibility, but it can also lead to your documents being flagged or removed from the platform. Take some time to review high-quality documents that are already popular on Studypool. Analyze their structure, content quality, and the types of questions they address. This will give you insight into what students are looking for and help you tailor your uploads accordingly. Once you're ready, you can upload as many documents as you want. The more valuable content you provide, the more likely students will notice your work and make purchases. Now, let's shift gears and discuss the second way to earn money on Studypool: becoming a tutor. This option allows you to interact directly with students, answering their questions and providing guidance. To start, you'll need to apply. The application process usually takes around 30 minutes to an hour. It's user-friendly and allows you to save your progress if you can't finish in one sitting. You'll need to provide some personal information, including your educational background, areas of expertise, and tutoring experience. Keep in mind that competition can be a bit stiff compared to just uploading documents, but the rewards of direct student interaction can be incredibly fulfilling. You can enjoy several benefits. You have complete control over when and where you work. Whether you want to tutor in the morning or late at night, the choice is yours. This flexibility allows you to balance your tutoring with other commitments like school or a job. Depending on the questions you choose to answer, you can earn a significant income by sharing your knowledge. The more students you help, the more money you can make. You'll receive a wide range of questions from students across different subjects. This means you can work on topics you're passionate about. For example, a student may be looking for help with a calculus problem, while another might need assistance writing an essay for their literature class. To kick off your tutoring journey, click on the application link and follow the prompts to fill in your information. Once accepted, you'll have the freedom to engage with students and start earning based on the demand for your expertise. You can set your own rates based on the complexity of the questions or the subject area. For instance, if a student is seeking help with a complex finance topic, you might charge a higher fee than for a straightforward algebra question. To make the most of your experience on Studypool, consistency is key. The more documents you upload, the better your chances of being discovered and earning money. Aim to upload a few high-quality documents each week to maintain a steady stream of income. If you're tutoring, being responsive and helpful is crucial. Building a rapport with students can lead to repeat business and great reviews. Make it a point to follow up after answering a question to see if they need further assistance. Don't hesitate to share your profile on social media platforms, academic forums, or relevant online communities to attract more students. Consider creating educational content that demonstrates your expertise and encourages students to seek your help. Uploading numerous documents can increase visibility. It's essential to prioritize quality. High-quality documents and thorough responses to student inquiries will enhance your reputation on the platform, leading to more earnings in the long run. Studypool provides tools to monitor how your documents and tutoring sessions are performing. Regularly checking these metrics can help you understand what's working and make necessary adjustments to your strategy. Making money on Studypool is absolutely achievable, whether you choose to sell documents or offer tutoring services. With a little effort, strategic planning, and a genuine passion for helping others, you can create a steady income stream.